Life sucks. Life's depressing, plain and simple. I base that on my the fact that if you're like a guy like me, never dated, never been with females, pretty females that smell good, and there's always a tease when they walk by you or you smell them, smell their breath or their whatever their, just their natural aroma, because they're beautiful. It's depressing, very depressing, very, very depressing, especially when you've been single for so many years like me. Man, it's just utterly depressing being around attractive women and females. It just sucks, man, because when we're out and about in public, it's hard to dodge and avoid hot chicks. I go to certain places like the dollar store, certain stores that mostly men and hillbillies and country guys go to, because it's easier for me to cope and deal with those, that kind of crowd. Anyways, it just sucks. I got a pizza behind me. It's actually kick-ass. It's all meat, Papa John's, all meat Papa John's for supper. Man, it's banging off the chain, guys, off the hook. But it's fucking depressing. I tell you. Well, stay tuned for my next upcoming video.